Welcome students, and we're getting into cross sections. Let me get that title there. If you don't already have these formulas written down somewhere, printed out, I have provided a Word document with all these. Definitely do so. The Word document is on PowerSchool, so make sure you get access to that. Again, what we're just doing is trying to find the area of a base, and then whenever they say what the cross sections are, that's the object that's kind of like growing out of the base of it, the area of it. And since this one does say semicircle, do keep this one in mind because we're going to use this formula. So let's go ahead and start the problem, take a look at this. It starts off by giving you some coordinates, some points here. So it starts off at 0, 0, and then some over here is 5, 0, and then some up here is 0, 5. So it wants to, this is the base. Basically, that's the area of it. And then they do tell you, and again, I think I mentioned it last one, perpendicular to the base and parallel to the y-axis. And what they're saying there is that the cross sections are going in this direction. So basically we have semicircles. I know these my picture is not doing it justice, but we basically just have a row of semicircles going along the base there. Well, I need to find a lot of information. I don't want to put those semicircles in there. First of all, I got to know what's the equation. And this one is just negative 1x as a negative slope plus 5. And the plus 5 is because of the y-intercept. You should know how to find slope. Really, we have everything. We just got to plug it into the formula just to make sure everything works out here. So what I'm going to write out, it's going to be, and again, since this is with respect to x, I put from 0 to 5, 0 to 5, the function in here, which was negative x plus 5. Now, just this alone will find the area of that base. But once they say semicircle or cross section of whatever else, you just have to apply whatever the formula states. So I have to take this and square it and multiply by pi over 8 in the front. Now, what we do is actually just solve out the integral. And you can type that in the calculator. In fact, I've already typed it in the calculator. I got 125 over 3. So just the integral alone gave me 125 over 3. Don't forget the pi over 8. So I just have to multiply this together, keep it simple. So what is that? 125 pi over 24. I don't believe the 125 over 24 will simplify, but I'd like to check. No, it does not. And do notice that they want you to use it in terms of pi. That means just leave pi as pi. Don't multiply by 3.14. So this will be 125. Let me go back up on top there. Pi is on top. Let me go on the bottom. Over 24. Check answer. And then there's my solution. The second problem is very similar to an assignment from the Wednesday homework, assignment number 9, where they do a semicircle and is parallel to the diameter and their squares as well. So this was actually very similar. So do pay attention to that. I'm not going to do this problem since there's only 2 of them. I'll let you finish up this one. Wow, this is a very short time. But definitely if you have questions or concerns, you can contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.